Look, I said, this is how I am.
Just chilling. All right.
But it was funny. I was like, because it was just like so out there, like,
Yeah.
and then she was like laughing around.
You have to stop for a moment.
But you do. You have to stop and think. Sometimes in the moment, things are heated. I get it. There's like, but at the same time too, there's also truth that has to be spoken. So, and I feel comfortable speaking truth with you, and the same with me, because I think when you have a relationship with somebody, whether it's friendship or relationship, either however that works, one of the things that the shadows come out, you can't hide those. People try to hide all that baggage, and you can't. Like, I know Leah's, Amanda's, like, yeah. we know all their baggage. I mean, if in a spiritual relationship with somebody, and that's the main thing,
we know everything that's going on.
Then you know everything.
Because you've taken the time to go and know.
And we've talked about it. And we're willing to have humility and be open and share those things.
No judgment.
Yeah, with no judgment. Yeah. So when you know that about a person, and you know both sides of them, which everybody has, the shadow and the ego, all that, the negative and the positive.